abusia beko so amachia edi no e ba ko preference performance so do na frame nko so hene enne e September boso me dey to so edi onu mienu 22nd September 2018 ye wo man Germany mu na hinkura ye friend Berlin na ne enti ye wo ha ne se amanyoko NPP emabuna e wo Germany nyina na nei omo se omo ku omate omo pa ho ntoma omo da na di ache wiase mansan enu nti na omo to omo nsa efre ye mpanimfo kukudam efri omanga na mu na bi awo national youth organizer ebeka omo nsa wo fidue mu sanso na honorable Jogate Minister of Railways and so fidue mu yenya ya ambassador Ghana ambassador to Germany ono nso e wo fidue mu a ene de enti anasa botaya omo de adwumadie ne se so omo beboaboa NPP emabru na no e wo Germany efa eye abato omo beto 2020 ene abato aka se de be ya enkunimdi e be ya omo de ya endubiem omo pese omo sa eboaboa mabunya no se de be yom be hyemu kena etu omo fo ne enti kura na eyese omo boa ma amanyoko NPP etena aban mu enom ne neaka enti ebusua enne sei enadwumadie no ekoso ewo eye Berlin abonten so medam wase
say youth organizer juma no say penny na bi be so no wetimi aka diaspora for ni nyina bom I think say on the second day and we invite you in fie anobetututu ma on ye nyina ye meeting enti or the enkabom no esase straight after the election kwan ne ka ye boy nyina efiri ya ebutu o hwe diaspora youth no so a omo di mu akote fa no e ya na ye students who see Kaya. Some ye free UK, ye free Italy, ye free Munich, ye free Bebiabe. Nina ya ne ya yesika. Na ye kase ne wo opposition. Enti ye ahofama. Say there, we are party in power. Enti ye seremo. Eya momwaye. Ye be kind ye nyina ne ye call ye ho adwen ne ye kan enti me sere me kan ma munka say youth organize all UK ne be kan say we okay. Yes, see, with all seriousness and again in humility, I will join the resounding deafening cry of our youth in diaspora to our elders in all these external branches that enough is enough. We are tired of the bickering and the constant tantrums being shown after elections on our various platforms. In fact, this attitude continues to cause great disaffection of neutrals who are willing to join us. And Topano Edoso.
William, can you mind?
Me say Entopano Edoso.
Obi per the 10th time.
Yeah, Papa Alan Chamantene can't say me na mikutuno. Or say after election there should be cooperation. What we've realized is that, Mr. Chairman, in any position of power, certainly in NPP diaspora, people who are given great responsibilities with great privileges, such as just being a stakeholder in this great party, whether you are an executive or not, whether you've won an election or you've lost, we start to lose the sense of what is really important. And we go on a tangent that brings the party's prestige image into total disrepute. And yes, for Yato Abanabi, what is important here is to cooperate with each other and propagate the good works of the President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. making sure we are able to put our dear Ghana to where she duly belongs.
And CRA party chairman and His Excellency the President, Semen from Remuni said Germany, much lower. Yami Shram. Msakache General Secretary so. Yanumina Yanidi and Yamamuye Echiba. And more Germany the poor party no. So we need and Sakache Mamunim. And Tadia would soon be Ghana. Sika would shame. And Yama Ahudo a party inti, party ye yo inti, what it be shame. Party now, and it is my text here, say, Metimiaka, Namaka assesses Sudia, Senka, and yet the diaspora MPP party. Germany, 81 election 2020 Quebec, Yamaye. Moka won't be a man Moka won't be a man to man, I get Demaye. And Yamin Sham. And they make us say, Nana Ado Danko Kufuado, or one year my pa, Nansu Kakra, what done the Yatreno. You are Rishamuse, Yadachi. Aye, and the pa. Inshallah. You say, when you go in Germany, in Tibi, and Amaka. Tipachoa, Tibi, Dankeschön.
Or then is that attack?
Yes, attack. Yes, attack. I can't somebody who have Abushafo, Nana Danko Kufuor to be a president. Metimiaka, Namaka, Esisudia say you can't diaspora party, but just making multi year patrol. A month more non busy money. Sans the mess about the case Germany so. Say you can't diaspora party pass party no. And home. And then the home be Biano Ajiji Abuchi Mantemuno. The say President Awapa, one diaspora party appointment bar. His Excellency the President.
Free education is changing the lives of people. It's giving people opportunity that they will never have. And there's evidence that every country in the world that invests in education grows economically. Including Germany. So there's no compromise. There's no surrender. Why is it that, I mean, people say it and I thought it was a joke, but it's true. Why is it that we can go to church 2 services? But when you say go to school twice, then there's a problem. What my lady said is right. That we have gone to shift in Ghana before. The only difference is that now it's boarding school, so you cannot go to Ifasim in the morning and come back to Accra and go to Ifasim back in the afternoon. And about 2 weeks ago, there was something in the papers. A girl from Chia had gotten into Achimota because of free education. The first girl from Chia to go to Achimota, and that happened because a man called Nana Akufo-Addo had the vision. In spite of all the opposition now, even up to date, he said, no, I will make sure that I will bring free education to Ghana. And if he's not remembered for anything, he'll be remembered for the fact that that decision that he took against all odds has changed the economy of this nation. Listen, people talk about Maslow. Banks, people set up banks as Ponzi schemes. They set up banks and took licenses from the Bank of Ghana in 2016 and before, and all the banks who have collapsed, they took their licenses before we came to power, without any money in the banks. Do you know what would have happened if we had allowed the banks to collapse? Ghana will collapse. You are talking about foreign exchange. People will be lining up. Do you know what happened in Venezuela and some of these countries, Argentina? People were lining up for their money. They were fighting because they were afraid. Because you put your money in the bank so that by the time you go back to the bank, when you give the money, you can get it. When you give your check or whatever, you can get your money back. Yes. And so if your banking system collapses, the country collapses. It's built on trust. And that's why in America, they supported Freddie Mae and Freddie Mac. We have put more than 8 billion Ghana cedis, about $2 billion, which could have built a railway to Kumasi. We put it to support the banking sector, so that the Ghanaian who has deposited his money can go to the bank and get his money. And that is why we are facing some of the problems you are talking about. That is why we are not able to give people money for mass law. That is why we are the trouble that we are in. But God willing, we shall work hard and we shall come out of that problem. You know? And why are we not complaining about it? Because the president says we came to power not to complain, but to identify the problems and solve them. And I have every confidence. I have every confidence that the thing is like a jigsaw puzzle. You know, there's a Christian song I like here. I like, you know, El Shaddai. The second verse says, in your word there was a plan, but they could not understand. What we are doing is like a jigsaw puzzle. We are laying the foundation, pillar by pillar, of a Ghana beyond it. And a Ghana beyond it simply means a Ghana who is not depending on everybody to survive.
NPP mabuna omo Germany nyina enene oma pa entoma ewo omukuo anase busua oma dom no na oma to omo nsa frɛ atitirufo from Ghana ye nua be ma na bi national youth organizer etutu ni nine from Ghana sanso na honorable eye Jogate sanso na eye mame a ye mampani anamu senior wo Germany so ewo fidie mu ne yenya eye national youth organizer ide ye ne ba hwehwe nkomo ba ku mienu bi a ye Adum TV ahwefo nyina no epeso mu de call so e Germany nana yemwakwa ba eba eye oman Germany eye Berlin na hinkro
obani mejoso am say na dwumade de ye bo ne tofa eye Germany wa ha youth organizer mo amunim no boache ono no pese oda ne mabunu no ho dwumade opa ho ntoma dwumade a efeye so hwe nipa egu ha nipa dom Germany fo achredo and yeah, for crowns on it, you know, move free. Other European countries by UK, youth organizer waha, UK organizer waha, many Jerry Sepuku and a buyer. Jumadi no akonkana. A year a home farmer, a nidie or dos from Kwa, a youth Rumuno, a Hanomia Grano, a Jimmy Sem, or much as I am, or Mona Party no Eda Shejramusu. And Kraba, ya de mo moano. Ya de ba ko say e be kan ho abom ne e be koso aye dwumaden 2020 elections e wani mo ye ne e be koso anu ya tai na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo His Excellency echi na ne nyuma bi a waka so obeye ye de mpa beta na echi ye de ahode beta na echi ne aboa no eno ne ade ehu hia na ye nuanom so Ghana fo a omwo eye amanone so no anya so mfaso medical kan na me ba ye adansedie bebrebe ne manya se free SHC enei mo awsen community kakra kofie enei eto atwa ye de nyame ase e wo saa ne ma ne nyina ho ye gusua no e hye obi bia nkran se na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo aban e aban a aba se ba beboa ye enti ene ho dwumadie ne de ye pa ho ntoma ene dwumadie e beda opani Jogate ase ye beda ye mame Gina Blay, Her Excellency, on a ambassador of Emma President, there were Buffer Stock, almost CEO Penny Hanan, Sunowaha, Free Zones Board, Deputy CEO, Habib, Sunon Suahabi, Enomuniani, free by why if one so Penny for me, no by Yada Bibias, Jumadiano, I Krabeshe, I have Germany, Matrasampa, MPP, Donagazano, Eshamakumo, Yaminchamo.
Nana, Yadubesia, I'm saying, we blow us so quiet. Honorable, Yada was say, and when ya adaje Ediaba Ama a Germany, a MPP youth to a Waha Jumadia Yebedi, Jumadia, and Vasodia by now, Babama, I'm your core NPP. Oh, Jam, quite clear, party no Dachi, party as a future. Was an extra in Bebuna, Wokua, Breton and Gadesia, a Binuka, Wawa, Germany. Once a summer way to Ghana. The one who was one of the hello, Yamina. Enti, and Vasodia Baina, Osha, and Mabuna, Omo, Oman Germany, Mua and Nay, Omo Pesa, Omuya Bibi, Adeboa, Amanyoku and Pipi, Omo, the Fapim no Ghana. A young Vasodia Bain and Osha, Omubenya Ewum.
there's a reason why Okwafa to do America. So what from African Americans, America or Mexican American, African American, Irish American. The man in Germany here, you are Ghanaian Germans. It is a wufie here. Sabi, etu mbi se de aban faso na mi o. O se na se etin wonsa, etin ko ofie. Yo. E bia so yin wa otin nsa atabi na zo ko na jefie. Na ye Ghana yi ba wa wo ha. A yim de Ghana yi a. Na ende sabi nwa da wu de Ghana yi na eboa ma Ghana wa fa ne tempe fra. Mura, ono yin jesem.
Papa, the chatwo na mejawo ama wako. Ene yi o share eye railway aya bon de ro abaso bodia ani abaso de Ghana ni bia wa broche bia bo abaso ewo pempensu a ode eko. Enkosi da ben na eye yetire yi a ya bo ho da wuro ya papa obo ho modin ebetimi ehu se ya wi a eye adwuma ewo man
before the next election
2020 nyame ensha